See children, so here we have come to the poem Let's Go Shopping, right? Now, how much we understand? You can see the question answers. What is this? Time to answer. Answer these questions. You can pick the correct answer from the clue kit. So like the fill in the blanks, they have given the question answers here. So here clue kit is there. From this we should choose which are the correct answers. See what are the words we have in the clue kit. So here basket, bread, white socks, vegetable shop, tomatoes, black shoes, potatoes, cakes. So these they have given in the clue kit. So now let's see the first question. Where are Mr. Roshan's family going first? Where are Mr. Roshan's family going first? Where did they go first? Yes, they went for vegetable shop, right? Yes. First they are going to a vegetable shop, right? Here what do we have? Yes, vegetable shop, right? So that one VEGETABLE, vegetable shop, 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 vegetable shop, right Nana? Next one, what is Mrs. Roshan buying at the vegetable shop? So at the vegetable shop she bought two things. What are those? She is buying a kilo of, what did they buy? What did she buy? Potatoes and tomatoes. So which one is a kilo and which one is half a kilo? Yes, a kilo of potatoes. A kilo of potatoes and half a kilo of tomatoes. Half a kilo of tomatoes. A kilo of potatoes and half a kilo of tomatoes. Right. Now, what are they buying at the footwear shop? Footwear shop. Yes, they went for the footwear shop now. Who needs shoes? Yes, Rohan. So what did they buy there? They are buying a pair of, what did they bought? What did they buy here? So here what do we have? So vegetable shop already we have completed. Tomatoes and potatoes we have written. So at the footwear shop what are the available things? White socks and black shoes. So a pair of black shoes, a pair of black shoes and a pair of white socks. A pair of black shoes and a pair of white socks. Right. So next question. The fourth question is, what are they buying at the bakery? What are they buying at the bakery? What did they buy? They are buying a loaf of bread. Loaf of bread. And more, what did they buy? So in the bakery what are those available? Yes, some cakes they bought. Right? So they are buying a loaf of bread and some cakes. See the next one. Where is Mrs. Roshan putting the things? Where is Mrs. Roshan putting the things? Where did she keep? Yes, she is putting the things in a, leftover basket. So she kept the things in a basket. So she is putting the things in a basket. Right. So these clue words we should use in the question answers. Yes, see children. So here make a list of things bought by Mr. Roshan and his wife. So Rohan, mother and father along with him, they went for shopping now. What are the things they bought? So what are those? First they went to the vegetable shop. What did they buy at the vegetable shop? So tell me that first one. Yes, at the vegetable shop they bought tomatoes and potatoes. So potatoes, tomatoes. Right. And after that they went to the footwear shop. There what did they buy? What did they buy there? A pair of black shoes and another one a pair of white socks. a pair of black shoes and a pair of white socks. Right? And next one, where did they go? They went to the sweet shop. What did they buy at the sweet shop? One is jalebi and laddus. And later they went to the where? Bakery. Bakery, what did they buy there? A loaf of bread and one more is cakes. Right? These are the things they brought especially in the shopping. Right? Now, what are these ones? Potatoes, tomatoes, a pair of black shoes, a pair of white socks, jalebi and laddus, a loaf of bread and cakes. So these things they brought in the shopping. They bought it. And now see the next one. Here are the some things bought by Mrs. Roshan. So Rohan's mother, she bought it now. Yes, but they are divided into two parts. So what they bought there, they divided here. Match them by shading the words with the same color. So we should give the same color matching, and now I am giving this. So what are these? So one by one you see, but tell me what are these first? Yes, here we have a kilo of. A kilo of what did they buy? A kilo of jalebi, right? A kilo of jalebi. They didn't give any potatoes. Kilo of jalebi also they bought it. So that's why a kilo of jalebi. So same color I am giving here. A kilo of jalebi. Now half kilo of what did they buy? Half kilo of tomatoes only. Right? And now loaf of what did they buy? Loaf of bread. And at the footwear shop, that is a pair of white. Yes, what is that? Socks they bought it. A pair of white socks. A kilo of jalebi, a half kilo of tomatoes, loaf of bread, a pair of white socks. Right? Yes, see children. So now we have here, it's a time to spell well. But here different words they have given. What are these? One, see, complete the following words with E-E-R-E-A. So in this, not from the lesson. So previous they have given from the lesson, those words only we have written now, right? But now here, either E-E-R-E-A. So in these words, which is the suitable one? That we should write it. Now come to the first one. S-W dash dash T. S-W dash dash T. What are these? Sweet. Sweet. S-W-E-E-T. Yes, very good. Sweat also we have. S-W-E-A-T. Sweat also we have. So now I am taking S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. Now see the second one. P dash dash yes. Peas. P-E-A-S. Peas. Now see the third one. M dash dash T. Meat. M-E-E-T. M-E-E-T. Meat. And the next one, F dash dash T. That is feet. Feet. And here they are Q-U dash dash N. Yes, queen. And T dash dash T-H. Teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. And this is your yummy. What is this? C-H dash dash S-E. Cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. Next, tree. T-R-E. Tree. And the last one, yes, dash dash T. Where did you sit? That is a seed. Seed. Alright. So, sweet, peas, meat, feet, queen, teeth, cheese, tree and seed. Okay, Nana? Now see here, your teacher, I am reading here, it's a time to listen. So I will read out some sentences. You can give any one of the following answers. What are those answers? Yes, of course. Sorry, I can't. Yes, of course. Sorry, I can't. So which one can you give? See this. Will you switch off the fan? Will you switch off the fan? Yes, of course. Will you switch off the fan? We can write, yes, of course. Right. And see the next one. Can you drink 100 glasses of water? Can you drink? No. So, sorry, I can't. Sorry, I can't. Right? Yes, next one. Will you do your homework on time? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. And can you water the plant? Can you water the plant at home in your garden? Yes, yes, very good. Yes, of course. Yes, see the next one. Can you climb a mountain? Can you? No. So, sorry, I can't. Sorry, I can't. And next one. Can you swim in the sea? Can you? No. Sorry, I can't. Sorry, I can't. So say this. Will you switch off the fan? Yes, of course. Can you drink 100 glasses of water? Sorry, I can't. Will you do your homework on time? Yes, of course. Can you water the plant? Yes, of course. But can you climb a mountain? Sorry, I can't. Can you swim in the sea? Sorry, I can't. Right? See children, so we have complete lesson and some grammar topics in Come Let Us Go Shopping, right? Now, another grammar topics. What is this? Here we have use of I, he, she. So, how to use this one? So, suppose here I, that is I am speaking, right? So, that's why I. So, one person who is speaking about that person, either anyone. So, that we write I. So, for this we write I am, right? And now, suppose if a boy or man is speaking something, is talking something to us, then we should write it he. For this we should write it he is. He is we should write, right? So here, if any boy you are or any other boys or any man, if anyone they are speaking, that is a one member, then we should write it he, right? Suppose if a girl, then we should write it she, and verb we should write is, right? So I am writing, I am your teacher, right? He is my student, he is Rohan, right? And she is not a girl, she is a beautiful girl, right? So she is our teacher, right? So we should write who is the speaker, that person. We write I. And who is talking, other person. If a boy means we should write he, girl we should write she. Understood this? Yes, let's come to the textbook. You have the poem, sentence. Yes children, let's see the examples. So here, I, he, she, right? Now see this one. Children, meet Miss Rupa. Children, meet Miss Rupa. See the picture? See that? Look at the pictures. Circle the right words to complete the sentence. So that means a sentence and we have given the picture here. So that picture, in that picture, by saying that, you should find it which one is suitable here. Right? So children, meet Miss Rupa. So here you will show your that teacher Miss Rupa. So Miss Rupa means who is here? He is or she is your new teacher. Miss Rupa, either girl or boy? Very good, girl. Girl means what we should write? He is or she is? Very good. She is, we should write it. So that we should circle it. So she is your new teacher, right? And now see this. This is Abdul. Yes, see the picture. So Abdul means who is? Girl or boy? Yes, boy. So Abdul. He is or she is my brother. Which is the suitable one? Boy means we should write? Yes, he is. So he is my brother, right? Say third one. The third one is I am or you are his father. I am or you are his father. So who is his father? I or you? That we should take. See the next sentence, then you can understand which one is the correct one there. Thank you for looking after him. Thank you for looking after him. So that means he missed somewhere and then someone looked after him. Looked after means take care of. Sometimes they take care of. So thank you means who is telling? Yes, our father, right? So I am his father. I am his father. They circulate and this we should not write it. Okay? I am his father. Thank you for looking after him. Thank you for looking after him. Right? Yes. Next one. Here she is or you are my little sister. See the picture. She is or you are my little sister. Right? So who is the whose little sister? You are my little sister. She is my little sister. Generally both are correct. But which one is suitable here? See that? I shall take care of you. I shall take care of you. So to whom can I take care of? Yes, if you are my sister, I can take care of you. Or else that other sister means do we take care of much? No, right? Yes, I shall take care of you because you are my little sister. Because you are my little sister. Like that sister is promising, right? Yes. So I am his father. Thank you for looking after him. So that is you are my little sister. I shall take care of you. Right. So thank you. See now here fill in the blanks with I, he, she. Right. So either I or he or she should use here. So we should use any of this. So see that first one dash am Nirmala. Dash am Nirmala. Am if we get it, what can we write? I, he, she. He, she we get is only. But am means we should write, yes, I. So I am Nirmala. How do you introduce yourself? I am so and so name. I am Rishita. Like this you introduce now. So I am Nirmala. Right. And dash is your teacher. So your teacher means how do you say? Yes, she is your teacher. She is your teacher. And dash is my friend Jisha. Jisha is a girl or boy? Yes, girl. Girl means what can we write? Yes, she. She is my friend Jisha. And see here dash is Mr. Bhaskar. Dash is Mr. Bhaskar. So Mr. Bhaskar is boy or girl? Boy. Boy means what we should write, either he or she. Yes, he. So he is Mr. Bhaskar. Right? Yes, say children. So here, yes, fill in the blanks using clue kit. Clue kit means here some words they have given. But these blanks we should fill it by seeing the pictures. By seeing the pictures. So, all the pictures, someone is writing on the board and someone is ringing the bell and different works they are doing, right? Yes, now, see the first sentence. The teacher is dash on the blackboard. So, once you see the clue kit first, ringing, lighting, writing, plucking, drawing and washing, right? So, these we have. Then, what is the first sentence? The teacher is dash on the blackboard. So, what do we do on the blackboard? We write, right? The teacher is writing on the blackboard. The teacher is writing on the blackboard, right? See the second one. The Fune is dash the bell. The Fune is, what is he doing? Ringing the bell, right? The Fune is ringing the bell. Yes, see the third one. Mother is dash the lamp. Mother is dash the lamp. So the lamp, what we do? Light it, right? So the mother is lighting the lamp. Mother is lighting the lamp. And see next one, fourth one, Nazim is dash a picture. So on the diagram if you see, on the paper he is doing something. What is he doing? Yes, he is drawing. Right? Nazim is drawing a picture. Nazim is drawing a picture. See the fifth one. The maid is dash the vessels. The maid is dash the vessels. What do we do? Vessels means we should clean up, right? The maid is washing the vessels. The maid is washing the vessels. right? See the last one, the children are dash the flowers. The children are dash the flowers. What are they doing? The flowers means to take it off flowers, we call it plucking. So the children are plucking the flowers. Right children? Yes, now, see children, now it's a time to speak. It's a time to speak. What can we speak? Here see this picture. What do you see? What are the different shops in this picture? Talk about them. Talk about them. Here I am telling few words, but it's a practice purpose, no need to write this one. So say this first picture it is bookshop. Bookshop. What can we say about bookshop? Yes, it's a bookshop, big bookshop. It is a big bookshop. We have so many books are there. So all kinds of books available there. We can buy our class books, notebooks and general story books also, right? So like that you can write about the bookshop. And then see the next one, sweet shop. Yummy, right? Sweet shop. So what do you see in the sweet shop? So it's a very beautiful sweet shop. First we can write, it's a very beautiful sweet shop, and we have so many varieties of sweets in this shop. We have so many varieties of sweets in this shop. We can buy laddus or any kind of sweets, biscuits, any kind of sweets from this sweet shop, right? And see the next picture, it is a vegetable shop. Vegetable shop, right? So here a very different vegetable shop it is. Here we have different varieties of vegetables available. Here different types of vegetables available, and we can buy cucumber, potatoes, tomatoes, brinjal, bitter gourd, all kinds of vegetables we can buy from this. And this vegetable shop is run by farmers, right? Yes. See the next one, toy shop. So this shop is a very lovely shop to us. So different varieties of toys are available in this shop, and I can buy different toys for the low cost also, right? So like this you can write, you can say at least 2 to 3 sentences for each shop, right? Practice like this. If we go anywhere, if anyone asks us how to speak it, right Nana? Yes. Now it's a time to write. It's a time to write. What is this? Write some more words with old and red. Write some more words with old and red. Here see, old they gave in the circle and different circles they have given for this. And circle here also red they gave and different circles they have given. Already for example, for the old 2 examples they have given and circle 2 examples they have given. See the first one, old man. What it become? Old man. And old book. It becomes old books. Old book. Next one, what can we write? Old age. Old age. And old woman. Old woman. And another you can write your favorite story. Old story. That is old story. Right. So by using the old, whatever the words we can take. That is old man, old book, old age, old woman and old story. Right. Now see red. With the red what can we write? Red bag, red book, they have given these 2. And more what can we write? It's a red box, red car we have, yes, red car and red rose, very beautiful rose, red rose, right? So like this we can write by using the word red, right? Yes, now see the next topic. Match the names of the shops with the things you can buy in them by drawing lines. So see here, so pictures they have given total 5 pictures, and here they gave the words. What are these? So laddu, carrot, oil, bun, cake, socks, sandals, peas, jalebi and rice. So these items they mentioned here. So and for this they have given the pictures. So for both sides, and these pictures, seeing the pictures, all these items available in which place, that we should match it. So see that, match the names of the shops with the things you can buy in them by drawing lines. So draw the lines for this item in which shop it available. Okay. Yes, see the first one, laddu. Laddu available in, yes, that is in sweet shop. Laddu is available in sweet shop. Yes, next one, carrot. Carrots available at where? Yes, vegetable shop. So where do you have vegetables? Yes. So carrots available at vegetable shop. And third one, oil. Oil, it's a groceries, right? So oil, yes, this side second one. So oil is at a grocery shop, second one it is. And bun is available at, yes, bakery. There, that side, second one, bakery. And cakes also available at bakery only. That's the second picture. And see the next one, socks. Socks, where are those available? Yes, the socks are footwear shops. Yes, there's the first picture. So socks, and sandals also there, the first picture. And peas are under the category of vegetables. Vegetables, where do you have? This side, first picture. And next one, we have jalebi. Jalebi is available at sweet shops. So where do we have sweet shops? So here in the third picture. And now rice. Rice is also available at grocery shops only, right? So that's why grocery, second picture, this rice is available. Alright. So this the picture you match it with the proper words by using the lines. You also do that one. Yes, next we have match the words on the right with those on the left. Match the words right, left, right. So on that we should write it here on the right with those on the left. So by drawing lines. So with this you should match it. So see the first one, a pair of, a loaf of, a tube of, a cake of. There bread, soap, scissors and toothpaste. These they have given. Pair of. Out of all these, which one has a pair means must be two there. Two or more. So pair, generally pair means it's a two only. Two means what do we have in this two? Yes, scissors. Scissors we have two. Two in the sense not of two scissors. So two knives joining scissor na. That's why we call it, it's a scissors. Scissor we don't have. Scissor we cannot call it. Scissors only we should say, right? Scissors, remember that. Scissors means here two knives are there. That's why that is called scissors. So a pair of scissors. Okay, Nana? Next one, loaf of. So bread cut it into pieces, that we call it loaf bread. So that's why it is a loaf of bread. Loaf of bread. And see the next one, a tube of. So tube of, leftover soap and toothpaste. So which is in the tube shape? Yes, very good. Toothpaste is in the tube shape. So a tube of toothpaste. Next one, a cake of, yes, cake of soap. Soap is in the cake pattern now. That's why a cake of soap, right? A pair of scissors, a loaf of bread, a tube of toothpaste, a cake of soap, right? Yes, see children, next it's we fill in the crossword puzzle on vegetables. Crossword puzzles on vegetables. So here they have given pumpkin, potato, brinjal, tomato. Only 4 pictures they have given. But see the instruction and all these things. See, instructions they have given either down or right, down or else cross also we can get it. Right. So any. Now, so what are the list of the vegetables have they given? See that first. Pumpkin, tomato, potato, carrot, pepper, peas, corn and eggplant. So these they have given in all these, right? Now try to find it first one. Here pumpkin, already they have given the pumpkin. So see that where is the pumpkin? Yes, second one, second line, second letter onwards, P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin, right? Yes, very good. And the next one, pepper. Pepper, where is it? Yes, from the first to down you see, first corner to down you see P-E-P-P-E-R, pepper, right? Have you seen that one? Yes, very good. And next one, tomato. Tomato, where is it? Yes, in the pumpkin See the P, second P, P-U-M-P, P, have you seen that? Yes. So just beside, next to that P, after the P, you see that T is there. So down. So from that to cross you come, that is T-O-M-A-T-O. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato, right? Have you seen that one? Tomato. Clear? So T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. Clear? Yes. Now, see the next one, peas. Peas. Where do we have peas? Can you find it? No? Yes, try it. Yes. In the tomato, A is there, na? T-O-M-A. Yes. Just above two letters you see? Yes. P-E-A-S. P-E-A-S. Peas. Right. And see the next one you have potato. Where is the potato? Yes. From the bottom second line you see? P-O-T-A-T-O. From the down, for second line if you see, so from that to this side, P-O-T-A-T-O, potato, right? And next one, what do we have? Corn. Corn, where can you find? Yes, come to this last line, standing position. Here, second line, C, third line, O-R-N, C-O-R-N, corn. Very good. Next one you see, carrot. Where is the carrot? Yes? No? Try to see that. Yes, last line. Last line, third letter onwards you see. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. And the last word, eggplant. Where is this eggplant? No? You try to find it? Couldn't find it? Yes, let me tell you. That is second line you see. After P, E, E. E onwards you see the cross one. E, G, G, P, L, A, N, T. Right? So from the second cross to this side, third letter. Up to that we got this one, right? Eggplant, right? So circle them, give the arrows to that one by letter to another letter. Right? Yes, this is our puzzle on vegetables.